Experience have taught me that short form videos increases your subscribers 10 times faster than long form videos. By creating engaging shorts, you can attract wider range of audience to hit that subscribe button, but you must know the right way to upload to achieve that goal. So if you wish to grow your YouTube subscribers in a very short time, then this video is a must watch for you. In this video, I will teach you how to upload YouTube Shorts the right way to grow faster. But please ensure you are logged on to your YouTube studio. So right now, let's go into the video. So go to your YouTube app, this particular one, sign. Click on this plus sign and choose the file you want to upload. I mean the video you want to upload. So this is the video I want to upload. So I'll click on it and then I'll click next. I click next and then click next. At this point, we want a catchy image to appear in front of the screen, like the way we used to do the thumbnail. So because YouTube does not have the feature to upload thumbnail for YouTube Shorts, so the only strategy to do this is to be creative enough to set your video in a very catchy way, so that is what people will see on the screen. So what you go ahead to do now is to click on this pen, like edit. You click on it, wait for it to process. So here you can drag this point here, you can drag it and bring this image to where you want. You can see we can reduce it a little. So I think it's okay like this. So you can decide to write as well. If you want to write something, you can just put something here. Let's say that's it. So we can have something like this. You can decide to put it this way, so to make it more catchy. So then you can drag this to wherever you want. So I think it's okay like this. So if you want to add emoji, you can as well add emoji. So once you are done with that, then you click on this point, save. So now you can write. Don't be in a haste to leave. We are not done with the setup. So after the caption now, we will go straight to our YouTube studio, not the app, the browser, and then do the rest. So I'll just caption this. This is the way I brush my teeth. Then I'll just give it one hashtag only. This is okay. I think I made a mistake. Yeah, we are done with this part. So I'll just go ahead to click on this point, this where it says public. So I will put it on private and then go back. You can see it's on private now. So I will click upload. So let me just add one more. It's song. So I'll just go ahead and click upload. So now it's uploading. The next thing to do is let's go straight to our web browser. So here we are. So I will go ahead to this point and then go to content. So the content is opened, and sometimes when you upload on private, you might not see it here. So what you have to do is go to this search bar, and once you click on it, you can see it just appeared. So I will click on it. So here is it. So you can now take time to enter some of your description and the rest of them. I'm not going to do that for the sake of time. Let me just say is the way I brush my teeth. A fun and easy to sing along song for kids. So I just use this as an example. So now you can now choose your playlist from here. So I'll click on shorts. That's my playlist done. Then you can see it by default is already on. It's made for kids. Your own might not appear that way, so you have to put it on wherever you want it to be, whether it's made for kids or for not for kids. So this is the important part now. So you click on this show more. Click on show more and go down. Come to this point and click on, you can see publish to subscribers feed and notify subscribers. Let's assume you have a small channel and you do not have enough subscribers. So it is advisable you uncheck this so that YouTube can suggest your videos to people who are not subscribed to your channel. So this is one of the very key things you need to note down. Then once you are done with that, you can now come back. I always do this before I go back to this point, hashtag, to enter my hashtag. So for the sake of this video, I'm not going to do everything now. I will go back to it later when I end this video, then set up these things that I'm leaving now, like the description and the rest of them. I will leave them for now, then later I'll do them. So I'll just say again, this is the way I brush my teeth. So I will leave just this one for now. I will come back to it later. So once you are done with this, let's preview once more. So this is, you can see the way it will appear here. Then you can now click on save. If you want to go public, once you are done with this setup, what you need to do is come to this point where it says private. You just click on it and then change it to public, so it will go live once that is done. So that's how to do it. If you love this video or you find it helpful, kindly give me a thumbs up, drop your comment in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video.
We also
Ciao.
offer online courses that empower you to create amazing videos yourself. Right now, take advantage of our special promotional price. Get high quality video animation, avatars, and explainer videos at an